Hi, my name is Magda Castañeda. Welcome on Precedent Natural Attraction. Pajarito Boyacá, Salto Candelas. Located in the current being of the Pajarito Boyacá municipality. It is a tourist attraction that offers you opportunity to get in touch with nature, mainly in towns, ecological wallets, and or hiking, birds watching and observation of the second waterfall most important in the country. In this exotic place, the average temperature rises to 23 degrees Celsius. However, it is human, so it is recommended to wear comfortable clothes and shorts. It's well at first because out there is no restaurant service. Recommendation: you must wear comfortable clothes and shoes, and wear and have protect yourself from the sun. You must visit these tourists it is winter time because it can be dangerous. You have to use sunscreen, insect repellent, and brings irritation. You don't have to go alone if you don't know the place. Mode of transportation: the transport of the personnel is on this one, and the access tourists only by land. So they can travel by motorcycle, bicycle, travel vehicle, or transport public. The life in the tea season is only available during today, 6:00 a.m. to 6:00 p.m. Activities to do. During the expedition, you can go on ecological walks and or hiking, bird watching, being a farm with wonders, architecture, and from where you can see the imposing Salto Candelas. Heyon, or to come taste the delicious cup, the Candle's coffee, produced only and making by the Coffee Grounds Association of the Municipality of Pajarito, Boyacá. Place to stay. Once you reach the current building of the Municipality of Pajarito, you can stay in the Love Color Hotel that is visually an extreme attraction due to its structure and vibrant explosion of color. This hotel has service, swimming pool, parking, Wi-Fi, and comfortable rooms. In addition to its possibility the stay in the current time one where you can come and appreciate nature in all its splendor. The typical dish is the municipal of Pajarito is chicken cooked with salted potatoes and arepa. This dish is usually accompanied by industrial such as Coca-Cola. In industrial edition, in the beaches with lowest temperatures, such as scoring fish, usually consumed in this form of preparation accompanied by rice, fried, fried or fried plantains and salad, and from hot drinks, coffee by candlelight it is best option. Thank you so much. It will I from you.